Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's, and let's fire up those grills because I'm making an absolutely delicious dish with grilled lobster tails and herb butter. The first thing we're going to do is start off by making that herb butter. You've seen me do this before, so I've got some softened unsalted butter. Going to add in some fresh thyme, some fresh chopped chives, some garlic. We're going to season it well with salt and pepper. And then what we want to do at this point is squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. Going to add some really good flavors to the butter, and of course going to really help flavor up the lobster tails. Oh yeah, if you get any seeds in there, be sure to remove them. Now, using the backside of a fork or a whisk, completely mix everything together until the butter is smooth and all those ingredients are incorporated. Let's go ahead and set it to the side. And now let's pull out our lobster tails. These are Tristan lobster tails, which are new to the Heinen's seafood department. They are some of the best lobster tails in the world, meaty, sweet, and they are found off an uninhabited island off the coast of South Africa. You are going to love these. Now, to prepare them, grab your chef knife. Using the point of the knife, put it in the bottom of the tail and then roll the knife forward to slice in half just like this. This is perfect so we can lay that meat down right on the grill. Just to show you again, put the point of the knife down at the bottom of the tail and then roll it forward to slice in half. We're going to transfer it over to a sheet tray lined with parchment paper. Now what I want to do is oil them up a little bit. I'm using olive oil, but you could of course use your favorite type of oil. Season it up with salt and fresh cracked black pepper, of course. Once it is all seasoned up, we're going outside to a hot grill in between 450 and 550 degrees. Lay the lobster tails down, meat side down. They only cook for maybe 3 to 4 minutes per side. So after they're done cooking on one side, flip them over and then immediately grab our herb butter and begin to brush the cooked meat. This is going to help season up, flavor it up, and be awesome on the grill. Once they're finished cooking, just remove them, and then to plate them up, I'm going to serve them up with some grilled lemons right on a platter, serve it with a little extra side of herb butter, and garnish with some more chopped chives. I'm telling you right now, this is one of the most delicious, easiest to make dishes around.